Catherine Bernardo update sa post ng Filmbot. May endorsement shoot niya yun si Catherine dyan sa studio niya. Kaya nag-group picture pa nga sila. Kasama pa nga si Snowy. Yung cute na fur baby ni Catherine. That's our. Teka yung video ni Catherine.
Rolling po. Ay, rolling po.
Rolling.
Anytime actors? Actors ready? Ready. It's a wrap! Thank you very much! Wow! Thank you!
Nakashoot nila Yan. Kinongrats din si Catherine ng Star Cinema. Nominate siya bilang Best Actress sa Gawad Korean Awards. Congrats kay Catherine. Ang post ng Ideal Vision kila Catherine at Mami Min and an ideal treat this Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, syempre. Kay Mami Min, advance. So, post ni Dennis Ochoa sabi, beautiful Mami, advance happy Mother's Day to someone who is like my second mama. Mami Min, syempre. Advance happy Mother's Day, syempre. Kay Mami Min. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Victor Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.